Hello and welcome to LibreCAD tutorial channel. Today I want to draw a crane hawk. For the first, please activate some snap functions. There are three: snap, snap on point, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay, we will start to draw with a circle. Select circle center with radius and type the radius in the box. The first circle is radius is 24. Type in the box 24. Left click to put the circle on the screen. Right click to escape. The next circle, we will draw the next circle with parallel line tool. Select parallel line and the distance. Type the distance in the box. The distance is 9. Okay, type in the box 9. Left click outside the circle and then right click to escape. Next, I need to draw this horizontal line. Select horizontal and type the length. The length will be 150. Select snap point middle. Left click at the center of our drawing. Right click to escape. Now select this line and select rotate tool. Left click at the rotation center and then left click at the reference point. We need to rotate the line 140 degree. So put the line about here. Okay, correct the angle negative 140. We use negative because the direction is to the right side. Okay, click OK. Next, I think we should use divide tool. Select divide and left click at the circle, the point, the circle again, the point, circle again and the point, the circle again and the point. Right click to escape from the tool and select unnecessary parts from the circles and delete. Next, I want to create this part. It is easy. Okay, use 2 points, circle with 2 points. Left click for the first point and the second point. Right click to escape. Select trim tool. Left click at the line and left click at the circle. Okay. Right click to escape. Right click again on your mouse. Okay, next we need to draw this part. Okay. Okay, I think we should create this point. Yeah. Okay, from the image we got the data about the radius for this point is 84. So the distance from this point into the point is 84. Select horizontal and type the length 84. Change the snap point into start and then left click at the point. Okay, here's the point. Right click. I need to delete this one. Okay, we got the point. And then draw the circle. This is the circle. The radius is 84. Select circle, center radius, and type the radius 84. Left click at the point. Okay, right click to escape. I think we should delete this one and this line also. Okay, next oh no, we need the line and the button. Okay, next I think we should, yeah, we should create this part. Okay, select circle, center with radius, and the first radius, the the circle, the small one, diameter is 15, so the radius will be 7.5, a half of 15. Left click, right click to escape. Now the next circle at the outside is 21 for the radius. Select circle, center, radius, and type in the box 21. Left click at the center of our first circle. Right click to escape. Now I think we need a vertical line, this vertical line, but we don't have the distance. Okay, select vertical and type the length for vertical, maybe 100. Oh no, too long. Maybe, oh yeah, 100. Try to use 100. Select snap point start. Left click at the point, right click. Okay, next I think we should move the shape. Select the shapes, select move or copy tool. Left click at the reference point and left click at target point. Maybe, oh sorry. Select again the shapes and select move or copy tool. Left click at the reference point. The reference point is at the left side of the outside of the circle, and put the shapes into the end of our vertical line, maybe there. Select the original and click OK. Press ESC or escape on your keyboard. Okay, now we will do some trick to make the shapes, the circles, the two circles touch the big circle there. Okay, we will use line, use 2 points line. Select 2 points, left click at the center of the first, this point. First point, and the next point there. Okay, the center of the big circle. Right click to escape, right click again. Okay, we got the point. I think the point, this is the point. Okay, select the shapes, the two circles. Okay, select move or copy. Left click at the reference point. The reference point is the point. This is the point. And move. Oh, it's a problem. Oh no, I'm sorry. I made a mistake. We don't need this trick. We need to use a tool, tangent circle to circle or tangent CC. Select this tool, tangent CC, and left click for the first circle and the second circle. Left click again, and okay, right click to escape. Now use vertical line. Select vertical, type the length 100, select snap point middle, left click at the intersect of the tangent lines. Okay, right click to escape. Okay, now select the shape, the two circles. Select move or copy. Left click at the point. This is the point. Bring the circle into that point. Okay. Select the original. Click OK. Okay. Now we can delete the vertical and the tangent lines. Okay. Now use divide tool. Select divide. Okay, left click at the circle, the point, the circle again and the point. Right click, okay, select the circle, the unnecessary part, delete. Select trim tool, left click at the circle and left click at the line we want to trim. Right click again, we should delete this one, and then select 2 points line, left click at the point. Where is the point? Okay, that's the point. And the next point, okay, we got the point. Right click to escape, right click again. Now select trim tool, left click at the line and left click at the circle you want to trim. Oh yes, right click to escape, right click again, delete the line. Okay, we got the image. Now select the shapes except the circle and select create polyline from existing segments. Okay, now select all the drawing and select head tool, mark solid fill and click OK. Okay, I think that's all for today. Okay, thank you very much for your attention in this video. Please subscribe to our channel to help us to improve our channel. Thank you and see you in next video. Bye.